Namaste, all of you. Today I am going to talk with you about or discuss with you about the effect of education, the aim of education, who is learned man, who is educated man. Very simple answer is there that learning is a lifetime procedure. There is no end to the learning until the death of the person. His learning procedure is constant, and a man is always a type of learner in his life. That means there is no end to the procedure of learning. But what is the aim of education, and where is it ends? What is the end of education? That means which type of mentality the learned person should have, which type of thought, which type of thinking, which type of angle the learned man or the educated man should have. This is the matter of thinking today. This is the thought in my mind which I am going to discuss with you. If you have some different view or different views regarding the aim of education, then you can write me, you can say me. I am going to talk about the final end of education, the final aim of education, the final aim of learning. All of us know that learning is different thing, education is different thing. Education is formal, while learning is more than formal, that is formal and informal also. Learning is lifetime procedure, we have told it before. Again, the aim of education we are going to discuss about. Which type of mentality a learned person will follow, the learned person will carry. And a very important answer is that if a person accepts that nature is his God, very important statement this is. If a person accepts that nature is his God and humanity is his religion, humanity is his religion, then and then the aim of education finishes there. Apart from that, there is no need to teach a person. A person should go away from his religion. The person should go away from his God. Who is your God? The answer is nature is your God. And what is your religion? Then the answer is only humanity is one's religion. And when a person trusts upon this, a person believes that these two things are real and we will follow these all things, then and then the aim of education completes there. That means the fulfillment of education will be there. Thank you for your listening. If you have any different views regarding the end of education, earning money, being rich, being knowledgeable, being a addressee person, being a lecturer, being a social status, these all are secondary aims of education. First of all, that humans should change themselves, their attitude, their angle of thinking, their behavior should be changed. So the education is there. Formal or informal, one can get both of these ways, and one can develop in himself. Where your development is, when you will be fully developed, then the answer is that if you suppose nature as the greatest power, as God, and humanity is the religion, that time the aim of education finishes. Please give me comments if you have some different ways or views regarding this thought. Thanks to all.